Hi, my name is Victoria Slavin, and my module/chapter to do is chapter 14. It's called Leadership Roles, Problem Solving in Groups. So something I learned about this chapter is like working in small groups. Just reading the different things about it. It's super important to work in small groups because you get to learn to work with other people instead of just working with yourself. Working with other people can help you learn how to work with others, and that not everyone agrees on what you on everyone's opinion. With working in different small groups, you get to work with different personalities, which can be really hard because with me, it's hard for me to work with other people that take their time to do things. And I know I take my time to do things, and I sometimes do it last minute, but when they do it really last minute, that really stresses me out because I'm worried about not getting it done. So I guess working in small groups helps you realize everyone's not the same and doing doing things on time and all that. So that's what I learned about small groups. And for problem solving, there could be a lot of this really helped just understanding with the different problem solving in groups, because there could be a lot of problems working in groups. Working in groups can cause conflict because for example, if you have to pick a topic as a whole group, you have to be able to agree on the topic, and that can be really hard because some would want one topic while others wouldn't want that topic. So it all comes down to agreeing, and if others don't agree, then it's hard because you're having to figure out it's problem solving, trying to figure out what you're going to do if others don't agree, and if others don't want to participate because you didn't choose what they wanted to do. And roles I think is also super important, and the reason for that is because everyone in the group should have their own role and what to do. Everyone should be, if there's different parts of the project, everyone should have their own assigned group, because if they don't, then other people could be working on the same part of the project, and you wouldn't get anything accomplished in the other parts. So agreeing from the beginning, figuring out what each person's going to do and talking about it, and if there's some people that are going to work in the group together, or work on the project, work on one part together, then that should be put up front, just so you know what's going to get done, instead of everyone doing one part and the rest of the project not ever getting done because you didn't assign the project to others. Another thing is leadership. So everyone in the group should be able to there should honestly be a leader that keeps everybody on track, because not keeping everyone on track could be really hard, because if you have a group that always gets distracted and never wants and always talking about other things instead of the project, that could be really hard, because then whenever you're meeting, you're not going to get things done, and so you're going to have to figure out when to get it done without losing points and getting it done on time and it not being late. So I felt this chapter was honestly really good because it helped me figure out working with other people and learning, realizing there is ways to help with the problem solving, and how important it honestly is to have a leader in the group. I never thought it was super important, but after reading this, it helped me realize actually it is really important to have a leader to help you get through your whole project. So sorry for my voice, it's my allergies. Thanks.